Ever tried watching a movie and felt like your living room was suddenly auditioning for blinds are too bright? Yeah, me too, but I think I found a solution. Meet the Magcube X7 projector, your new home theater BFF. First off, this little beast is powered by the all-winner H726 flagship chip. Translation, it runs smooth, like butter on toast smooth. You get access to thousands of apps, seamless streaming, and frequent updates, so no more buffering battles during the big plot twist. Now let's talk visuals. The X7 supports true 1080p resolution and 8K content with a brightness of 1000 ANSI lumens. In normal human language, crisp, vibrant, and bright enough that you won't need to black out your windows like you're hiding from the sun. And yes, it's smart too. Autofocus and fully automatic keystone correction mean you can literally set it up in seconds. One click and your screen looks like you hired a professional. No more awkward leaning, squinting, or holding pillows under the projector. Speaking of setup, the X7 is super versatile. Living room, bedroom, backyard, movie night, even a last-minute school or office presentation. This thing adapts. And the built-in 5W hi-fi speaker, surprisingly punchy. Pair it with Wi-Fi 6 or Bluetooth 5.4 and you're basically wire-free heaven. Size-wise, it's compact but mighty. The throw ratio allows big images in small spaces so you can finally have a cinematic experience without remortgaging your apartment. In short, if you're tired of tiny screens, fuzzy projectors, or complicated setups that make you wish for a degree in rocket science, the Magcube X7 delivers. It's bright, sharp, smart, and honestly kind of fun to show off. So if you want a projector that actually feels like a home theater without the headache, the X7 might just be your next favorite gadget. Grab a popcorn bucket, dim the lights, and let it shine. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.